Okay, now we're going to speak about NAT, Analyze and Evaluate Protocol Capture in Wireshark for Network Access Translation. My student ID is 10498614. For NAT, Network Access Translation, NAT operates on a router which translates the private addresses in the network into a legal addresses before a packet is forwarded to another network, usually assigned by firewall and used in layer 3 on OSI model. Now let's view how could we capture NAT logs in Wireshark. The video will capture all the simple web requests from client PC in a home network to www.google.com server. First, we will open Wireshark app to collect a Wireshark trace on the client PC in our home network. Because we are also interested in the packets being sent by the NAT router into ISP, we will collect a second trace file at a PC, tapping into the link from the home router into the ISP network. Answering for question number 1, requesting for which are the IP address of the client. Now I'm going to show you through the mouse. Those are the IP address for the client. Okay, to answer the question 2, you will require to enter an expression. Now I'm going to open it so that we can copy the expression required without the codes into the filter field in Wireshark. That will generate the logs. Okay, so let's move to question 3. Question 3 shows that the request client to Google server. So when a client establishes communication with Google, consider now the HTTP GET sent from the client to Google server at the time shown, where I'm moving the cursor right now. That's the time shown, and the source and destination IP address for the client source is shown now. Okay, and the destination with the port address as well as shown below. So to go to question number 4, when Google server responds to client, the corresponding 200 OK HTTP message received from Google server at the time of, now I'm showing 797, and you will notice at the time the corresponding Google address or the port source address and the client destination address is now currently shown. The port as well as shown is the same with the previous one. Now question number 5, recall that before a GET command can send to HTTP server, the TCP must set up a connection using a three-way SYC and ACK handshake. It asks what time is the client server TCP sync segment sent to the sets up to the connection used by the GET. It's shown there, the time is 5657. The last number is the time sync, TCP sync taken place. And for the TCP ACK, but the source address is 192 and the destination as well is shown for the sync, and the port address is 4335 and port number 80 as well is shown there. That will answer the question number 5. When we move to ACK, it shows that the ACK sent in response to the sync. You will find the answer for the Google server is at 986, and the Google server destination will be now shown with the destination port and the port address as well below. In the following, we will focus on the two HTTP message GET and 200 OK and the TCP sync and ACK segments. Our goal here will be to locate these two HTTP message and two TCP segments in the trace file NET ISP site captured on the link between the router and ISP. Because the captured frames will have already been forwarded through the NET router at this present moment. Some of the IP address and port numbers will have been changed as a result of NET translation. The question number 6 has clearly, the answer shows here. In the NET ISP site trace, we will need to enter the expression of the HTTP IPR address, now currently shown. Now I'm going to execute it. After executing, it will HTTP GET message was sent to the Google server at the time of, now shown as 168, where this was sent as recorded in NAT home site. The question is that what time does this message appear in NAT ISP? As I said, the NAT ISP time will be 168. The source and destination IP address and TCP source and destination port on the IP datagram carrying the HTTP GET as recording in the NAT ISP site trace file will be the following source address now shown, and next will be the destination address. Below is the source port and the destination port. So the next question, number 7, are any fields in the HTTP GET message changed? The answer will be no, which is per shown the following field in the IP datagram carrying the HTTP GET are changed. Let me go in very detail into the version, header, flags. Okay, when I scroll down, you can see clearly the version will not be changed. Just hold on, let me move to this version. Okay, if you see, the version will not be changed, the header length will not be changed, okay, and the flags is not been changed as well. But one thing has been changed, you'll see clear, is that the checksum. This is because since the IP source address has changed and the checksum includes the value of the source IP address, the checksum will be changed too. So let's move to question number 8. In the NAT ISP, at what time is the first 200 OK HTTP message received from Google server? The answer will be shown as now. It's currently 17578 will be the answer to be shown, and the source and destination IP address for TCP source and destination ports on the IP datagram carrying the HTTP 200 OK message will be, the source address is 64 as per now showing 233.169.104, and the source port below, and the destination currently now I'm showing it with the destination port as well. That will answer question number 8. Which of these fields are the same and which are different? For me to answer this, it's very simple. Only destination IP address has changed at this stage. Question number 9. In a NAT ISP site, the question asks at what time were the client server TCP sync segment and the server to client TCP ACK segment corresponding to the segment in question 5 previously. The answer will be, now I'm showing you, is 5475 and 7775 for sync respectively, and the source and destination IP address and source destination ports for these two segments are, for syncs will be source address as 71192 and the following address with the port number 4335, and destination will be 64.233.169.104, and the source destination port will be 80 as well. But for ACK it will be different. It shows that the source address is 64.233.169.104 and destination is 71.192.34.104, followed with the port address for source is 80, that is a source port, and the destination port will be 4335. Okay, which of these fields are the same? In which different? Then your answer is question number 5. The answer will be, for the sync and the source IP address has changed. For the ACK, the destination IP address has changed. The port number are unchanged.